Cedar Classroom Online, yeah! Hello, Otis, hi Harvey, hi Ishan, hi Lily, hi Lila, hi Elliot, hi Tommy, hi Brogan, hi Vince, hi Alexa, hi Zara, hi Ilaria, hi Willow, hi Nash, hi Charlie, hi Zach, hi Aria, hi Susie, and Bo. Welcome to the first edition of Cedar Class Online. I am, as you know, Mr. Taylor. I hope that you enjoy our activity today. I hope that you all have been staying at home and staying healthy if you can, because I know someone who hasn't been staying home. And that person is, guess who? Mr. Mailer. He's back at it again. And you know how I know this? I know this because I got a letter from Mr. Mailer and some other things from him in the mail. What is he up to this time? Well, let me read you the letter he sent. It says, "Dear Cedar Class, I've given you a worksheet that if you want to find me, you will need to complete. How many ways are there to make 10? Figure them out and I will let you know where I've been. Sincerely, Mr. Mailer." So it looks like if we're going to find out where Mr. Mailer is and stop him from running around, we're going to have to figure out how many ways there are to make 10. So, Mr. Mailer, in addition to this letter, also gave me this worksheet that says rainbow to 10. How many ways can you make 10? And it has a rainbow with lots of numbers. And also, he gave me 10 things, 10 pennies, 10 things to count with. What could that be for? Well, let's find out. All right, so once you have colored in your rainbow and connected all the different numbers, I want you to make sure you have the things that you can count with. And also, I'm going to cover up the other numbers as we go, just so it's not confusing. This rainbow is going to help us figure out all the different ways that we can count to 10. And we can do that by connecting, seeing which number connects to which number, and I bet that will tell us what numbers together will make 10. So the first number we have on this side is 0, and the number we have on this side is 10, and that's telling us how many we should put on each side of the rainbow. So put 0 pennies, or whatever you're counting with, on this side, and then let's put 10 on this side, because that's what it says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And don't forget to count with me. So let's combine these together and see if they make 10. 10 plus nothing. If we squish them together, we get 10. So that is one way to make 10. So take a colored pencil and let's write down over here as we go what numbers we find out work together to make 10. Remember, this sign right here is the plus sign, and that means we're squishing things together. So here we're squishing this number with this number and putting them together. So we just learned that 0 plus 10 equals 10. So you can go ahead and write that in. And I will tell you a secret. When we are squishing things together by adding them together, it doesn't matter which number comes first and which comes second. So there's actually 2 ways. We've already figured out 2 ways to make 10. You can add 0 to 10, or you can add 10 to 0, and you still get 10. Awesome. So let's do the next one together. I'm going to do the next one together, and then I will let you all finish the rest, and then we'll talk about it when we're done. So the next number we have is we have a 1, and if we follow the orange line all the way around, we get to 9. So let's test that out. Let's see if 1 and 9 together equal 10. So I want you to put, since we're doing this number, I want you to put 1 on this side, and then I want you to count out 9 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's see, if we squish these all together and count them again, let's see if we get 10. And if we do, then we'll know that that is a way that we can make 10. So I'm going to squish these together. And now let's count and see if we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guess what? It looks like 1 and 9 equal 10. So let's write that in. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And remember what we said before, that it doesn't matter which number comes first. So we could have 1 on this side and 9 on this side, or 1 on this side and 9 on this side, and no matter what, when we squish them all together, it doesn't matter which came first. So that means we can put 9 and 1. We also know that 9 and 1 equal 10. Great. So I'm going to let you all go through the rest of these numbers together. 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. And I want you to tell me if all those numbers together add up to 10. Okay, so once you're done with your worksheet, it should look something like this. You should have figured out that each sides of the rainbow that are connected with a different colored line each help us figure out all the different ways that we can make 10 with 2 different numbers. So you should have figured out that we did 0 and 10 equals 10, 1 and 9 and 1 equals 10. And then next after that, it's kind of hard to see on here, but 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 equals 10, and 8 plus 2 equals 10, 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5, and 5 plus 5. So once you've figured all of that out, I want you to count up the number of ways that we have figured out how to add up to 10. And don't count 5 plus 5 twice, because they're the same number. So let's count how many ways there are to count to 10. Okay, so after we finish this worksheet, we should have figured out that there are 11 ways to make 10, and you should have on this worksheet all the different ways that you can make 10 with 2 numbers together. So now that we've done this, I am going to send this in the mail to Mr. Mailer, and hopefully then that means he'll tell us where he's been hiding this whole time, and we can go and find him and stop him from running around and causing trouble. Yeah, so anyway, thank you all for watching this video. This is my first time teaching this way, so thank you for bearing with me as we all figure out the best way to make things work in our new situation. So until next time. Cedar classroom.